Dear students, today we will understand the calculation of arithmetic mean. It is the topic of biostatistics where statistics is used for the biological experiments and therefore it is called as biostatistics. Now, what is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is one of the method of calculating central tendency. It is an average. It is calculated to reach a single value which represents the entire data. Calculating an average, for example, the series has been given here in this slide is 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 9. The arithmetic mean is 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 9 divided by 6. Or we can say all the data given in this slide are plus together and it is divided by the number of values given in the example, and here is the answer 3.17 is the average. The arithmetic means are used in a situation such as working out cricket averages. Arithmetic means are used in calculating average incomes. Now, how arithmetic mean is calculated in various series: the individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Now, first we understand what the series are. Individual series are the series in which only values are given. There is no frequency given in the series, and such series are called as individual series. Another series that is called a discrete series, the series in which values and the frequency has been given, that is called as a discrete series. And the third series called a continuous series in which the values and frequencies are given but values are given in class intervals, and therefore such type of series are called as continuous series. In all these series, the method of calculation may be direct or shortcut. Now, first we will take the individual series, which is in the how we can calculate the arithmetic mean by direct method. The example given in the slide where the students has been shown in the slide A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and the values for those students has been given as the marks obtained by them. That is 2, 7, 10, 8, 6, 3, 5, 4, 5, 0. Now all these steps in which the values of these students are averages by the calculation called as summation x. Summation x is the denotation of the arithmetic mean, where x bar is equal to summation x upon n. All the values of x has been plus together and it is divided by the number of values. And here in the example, all the values have been totaled as 50 and it is divided by the number of values 10, and answer is 5. Then you can also solve this example using shortcut method. In shortcut method, we should understand how to calculate the deviation, and in this method a assumed mean is also considered in the series, and the values are being minused from the assumed mean, and this all data completes is called as deviation from x. And you can see in the slide how x is assumed mean has been taken as 2, and then all these values are being minused from the x given, and it is called as deviation from x. Then all deviation from x has been plus together. As an example, x bar is equal to a, that is assumed mean, plus summation dx upon n. Summation dx is the total of total deviation and n is the number of values. And here in the example, 2 plus all the deviation from x, that is 32.2 divided by 10, or you can see here 2 plus 30 and the result is the same, arithmetic mean is 5. So you can do this average method by direct method or by shortcut method. Result is the same. There is no difference in both of the method. Here the difference that we have to take the assumed mean in the shortcut method, whereas on another method, which is direct method, the formula used is x bar is equal to summation x upon n. Now in the discrete series, as I have already told you that there is values and frequency are given as given in the slide here. The values given are 5, 2, 3, 4 and the frequency given is 4, 6, 8, 6. Here we multiply the frequency with the values. X and F are multiplied and the result is Fx, and Fx is plus together and it is divided by the total value of the frequency, and the formula used is summation Fx upon summation F. X bar is equal to 80, that is total of Fx, and divided by 24, that is total value of the frequency, and result is x bar is equal to 3.33. It is direct method. When we use this method, and the formula is x bar is equal to summation Fx upon summation F. In the discrete series, we also use the shortcut method, and in shortcut method we have to assumed a mean, that is a is equal to taken as 2, and here the value of x is deducted from the a and it is called as dx, and then dx is multiplied by frequency, it becomes f dx. The formula used for the calculation of arithmetic mean in discrete series by shortcut method is x bar is equal to a plus summation f dx upon summation f. Here it is shown in the slide in dark circle. Now by the same method which I already told that the result is same, there is no difference in the result of you are using the direct method or it is shortcut method. Then another series, that is continuous series. Here in the continuous series you can see the work antral, or you can say the class intervals has been given in the x values, and the frequency has been seen in the slide, that is number of workers, the wages in the form of class interval, that is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60, and the number of workers is the frequency, that is 8, 9, 12, 11 and 6. Now how arithmetic mean is calculated by direct method, and here also the formula is same, that is x bar is equal to summation Fx upon n. Here x value is given in the class intervals, so it is not a rounded value, so we have to take the mean of the both lower limit and higher limit, we plus together and divided by 2, then it becomes the x, that is in the first example this is 10 plus 20, then it becomes 30 divided by 2, then it becomes 15. So we have to kept out the mid value in such of the examples, and here the x value will become 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. It is rounded value, then it is multiplied by frequency that has been given in the another slide, where 15 into 8, that is 120, it becomes fx. Fx is total together. Here in the example, that is 1590, and it is divided by 46, that is total of the frequency, and answer is 34.56. So here in the example, the formula is same used as in discrete series, but we have to put out the mid values as a round figure in the x, and the same result is there if we do it by shortcut method. Here we have to take the assumed mean. For example, in this example we have taken assumed mean is 15, given in the slide you can see, and the 15, the assumed mean is minus from x, that is mid value, and the fx is summation x is there, then dx is there, and then dx is multiplied by f, it becomes f dx, and the formula used here as in discrete series, that is x bar is equal to a plus summation f dx upon summation f.